Hello everybody, my name is Yusri and welcome back to my channel where I talk about Tamiya in general, maybe show you some tips and tricks and racing obviously. Today is the 28th of April 2024 and the playground, the place that I usually go to is organizing a bmax race. So stay tuned. Maybe later I will share with you my setup, what I decided to play. I brought three machines, one FME, one MA and two FME. So yeah lah. Today's a BMX race. It's a fun race. Hope to see everybody later at the track. Catch you on the action later and roll the intro. Let's go.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos.
Every time I come race, every time I see these guys race. S-A-L. Wrong. Y-U-S.
Hello, sir. Are you going to buy tickets, sir?
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you all. This is
So,
Q3 channel.
how to buy ticket?
$25 to pay now or you pay cash.
Okay, then
No
after
ticket,
that,
that way out.
okay, never mind. Then after buy ticket, what happen?
Then you queue up 2 to 4 p.m. I mean 2:20 to 4:20 p.m. we rumble. After that we get to top 9.
Okay.
So,
Put my name here.
yes, sir. Here,
Ah.
do you want me to ride, what you call that?
Why?
Ninja. Where ride Ninja?
Anything lah you want.
Okay. Why? You. Yes. Why? Ninja.
Betel. Okay, thank you, very nice.
They say the devil made it for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Belum. So I did not manage to get any points, unfortunately. It's a very unlucky day today, so okay, I just going to say about my setup and why I think it failed. So the first problem is the track has digital curve, which I thought the double sliding might work. The double sliding setup. What I see is not helping with the double sliding. Most of the fail points is nothing to do with the digital. So the digital curve is just to slow down before the dead zone, which is a single jump, land or down one. I should have focused on that, but unfortunately I don't have any setup to do that. So never mind. Yeah, maybe I do a breakdown of the form. I feel like I need to make another one of the stimulus spec, but a different setup in the future. Catch you guys next time. Now we go to the top 9 and then we call it a day. Bye.
Yes, okay, first race will be Shani, Guru, Ain. Okay, second race, Shakir, Wansan, Mark. Third race, Sal, Farid, Iswani. Okay, winner 3 take 1, winner will go to the final. What's up?
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go